ZZ. That is the kind of sound I hear when I'm typing on my phone's keyboard. I use an Android phone, Camon 19 to be precise, and each time I type, I hear that word or that sound, ZZ. It's kind of annoying and I don't like it. So if you're just like me and you don't like that ZZ, that vibration on your keypad whenever you're typing, this video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you how you can stop that ZZ sound and enjoy your phone while typing. So come on, let's go watch how it's done.
How to turn off keyboard vibration on your Android phone. So in this short tutorial, we want to look into how you can turn off vibration, because most of us, or some of us, when we type on our phone, we don't really find it comfortable with the way the vibration goes. So if you're making use of an Android phone like this phone right now, this is a Tecno Camon 19. So we go through these steps. There are actually two ways to it. The first is to go to the settings, navigate to language and input, then select your keyboard. So let's go to settings. We navigate to language and input. We just have to find where language and input is hidden in this. So let's check system first. Language and input is here. Now we now go to keyboard. We have on-screen keyboard, physical keyboard, secure keyboard. None of this is going to give us that option. So you can see keyboard shortcut, then this one. So you can see all this one is default, so it is not here. The next thing we can do is to locate the haptic feedback on key press. Haptic feedback on key press, then we toggle it off. So let's go and search for haptic feedback. Where do we find haptic feedback on key press? Okay, so go back. This is settings, haptic feedback on key press. Let's go to system. Okay, let's go to let's check sound and vibration. Okay, so we got it. This is haptic vibration. Haptic vibration. So we turn it off. Okay, so we turn it off. So now let's see if this is working. Yes. Now I'm trying to type and it's no more vibrating in my hand. This is working for my Tecno Camon 19. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I want you to try it again. Let me walk you through it one more time, or you can just go through the video. So for your Camon 19, specifically for Camon 19, maybe other Android phones can also have this option, but for Camon 19, you come to sound and vibration, you go to haptic vibration. If you want to turn it on, if you like the way your keypad vibrates, you can come here, turn it on. Okay, but if you do not like how it vibrates when you are using your keypad, come here and you do what? You turn it off. You turn it off. So that is how to do it. So you guys, let me know if this works well on your phone. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification for subsequent tutorials, and watch my videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Please subscribe.
But personally, I don't like the sound of this ZZ. Whenever I'm typing, you just keep hearing that sound, ZZ. It can be kind of annoying. I don't know how you cope typing on your phone and getting that vibration sound from your keyboard, and it just comes z. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove that sound. If you are part of my own category of people that doesn't like that, this video is for you. This video is for you.